How to create Sankey diagram to visualize patient flow in Power BI. Click on the Create button. Click on Paste or manually enter data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Auto Create Report drop-down button and click on Create a blank report. Click on 3 dots and select Get More Visuals. Search for Sankey Diagram by VisioChart. Add Sankey Diagram visual to your report. Click on Sankey Diagram icon to add in report. Click on Patient Flow. Select Dimension and Measure. Under Format Visual, go to General and expand Title setting. Change chart title and set heading properties according to your need. Now shift to Visual setting. Under Visual settings, expand Node Property section. Set node width and padding. Close Node Property section and open Level Labels Property section. Set Level Labels position to bottom and apply padding. Open Color Property section and set node colors according to your desire. You can use Slicer to filter out specific component of chart according to your requirement. Click on the File button and select Save option from drop-down button. Click on the Export button and export chart to PDF.